Hey photo fans! Google Photos just supercharged its Ask Photos feature with AI, making it faster and smarter than ever. Ready to find your pictures in a snap? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this Google Photos glow up. Google Photos Ask Photos feature, powered by Gemini AI, got a major upgrade to deliver lightning-fast search results. After user complaints about slow responses, Google's bringing back the speed of classic search while keeping AI smarts. Want to know how it works? Keep watching. First unveiled at Google I/O 2024, Ask Photos lets you search your photo library using natural language like "Find my beach vacation pictures" or "Show me dog photos." Powered by Gemini, it understands photo content and metadata. The new update merges classic search's speed for simple queries like beach or dogs with AI's ability to handle complex requests, all while working faster in the background. You can still switch to classic search if you want. Users called out Ask Photos for being slow and unreliable. Google Photos product manager Jamie Aspinall admitted on X in early June, Ask Photos isn't where it needs to be in terms of latency, quality, and UX. Google paused the rollout, tweaked the feature, and now it's back, rolling out across the US with better speed and accuracy. That's listening to feedback done right. To try Ask Photos, you need to be 18 plus, have your Google account set to English, and enable face groups to label people and pets in your library. It's rolling out now to more US users so you can find search smarter on your phone or tablet. Finding that perfect photo just got easier. How cool is that? This upgrade makes Google Photos a powerhouse for organizing memories. Faster searches, AI smarts, and a seamless interface mean less time digging through photos and more time reliving moments. With Google's Gemini pushing boundaries, is this the future of photo apps? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Google Photos Ask Photos AI upgrade. Are you hyped to search your pictures faster or loving the Gemini AI magic? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this scoop, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.